Hi, I'm Michelle, and this is
Yaroslav.
And today we're going to be talking about
Office web applications in SharePoint.
Okay, great.
So today I was going to show you. This probably looks pretty familiar. This is your typical SharePoint team site, and as you can see, there's a couple of files that I have in the document library. So in a typical scenario, in your environment that probably you're using right now, you have your users clicking on Excel spreadsheets here. On PowerPoint, we have also some sort of a test document. So they click on that, and it opens the Word or PowerPoint or Excel spreadsheet in the client application. So what I found quite often is that you come do presentations and you realize that on a target computer that you're doing a presentation on, there is no PowerPoint installed, or PowerPoint is of an older version, and your new 2010 PowerPoint doesn't open up. So things like that. Or sometimes you wanna, you're at the airport kiosk, for instance. Nowadays everybody pretty much has laptops, but let's say you're at the airport kiosk or using your mobile device, and you don't have Excel or Word installed on your client computer, but you still want to have access to those documents. So one of the cool features is SharePoint Web Applications.
Okay.
So let me show you how it works. So by default, if you have Web Applications features installed in your SharePoint server, right away when you click on the, for instance, we're clicking on the on Excel workbook here or spreadsheet. Right away it opens in this particular window. Which is basically an HTML and JavaScript representing Excel web application, and you can edit that document right in here, and you have access to all of your all of the controls and all of the information that you have available.
Now, does it have all the same features as like a normal Excel?
Very good question. So it doesn't have all of the features. As you can see, there's only 2 tabs here available. So and then the Insert tab is pretty limited. The Home tab is pretty limited. So it has some of the common features, but not all of the features. Same thing when you go back to the team side and I open the Word document. Again, you see that the features are limited, but they're pretty. It looks like a regular client application, and some of the basic features are here. I mean, you can insert
the important basic features. Yeah.
Exactly. You can insert images here, right? Things like that. So it's pretty rich user interface. Now the coolest thing I found is, well, obviously the PowerPoint, is that you can actually start the slideshow, and and run your slideshow, and it preserves all of the transitions as well. Well, not the fancy one, right? But some of the basic ones, like this, for instance. This is a SharePoint presentation I've taken from online, and the way that it does that is actually there is a conversion service that converts the actual files into the browser compatible images. So as you can see, all of the images and all of the positioning of images is exactly the same as you would see in an Office application. And as well as if you do have a client application, there is an option here to open it inside the PowerPoint where you can actually read and edit the actual file. So that's what I wanted to show you.
Okay, great. Thanks so much.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm Michelle. You can reach me at mmarson@knowledgetech.ca.
And Yaroslav, you can reach me at sharemaj.com. That's my blog, and I also work at Knowledge Tech.
Great, thanks.